What's up, plant lovers? So if you grow a lot of houseplants and you're looking to find a way to really kind of ground the energy with your houseplants, my best recommendation is to grow some plants that are quite large. Having a large fiddle-leaf fig or monstera or what have you can really help create a nice energy inside the home. But the problem is, unless you have a really bright sunny window that's quite tall and just perfect for that plant, it can be quite hard to provide enough light for those taller plants. And so finding the right grow light that can provide the light energy for those plants has been a bit of a challenge. But I did find one that is a nice standing floor lamp that gets tall enough and provides enough light to keep our tall plants happy. So the setup on this guy is super easy. I think it took me under 5 minutes to get it all set up. It's really, you just take it out of the box and you start screwing all the pieces together. And what I love about this lamp is that it has a 20-watt bulb LED, so it doesn't use too much electricity, but it provides sufficient lighting to keep our plants growing happily. And the nice thing is that the LED bulb has a nice spectrum that mimics the sun, so it's actually going to allow your plants to grow. Now, once you have it all assembled, you can actually determine which height you want simply by eliminating one of those pieces just like that. And then once you've determined exactly which height you want, just connect the bulb right there, screw that in, and then you're gonna plug it in, of course, and here comes the light we've been waiting for. And once you have it plugged in, it comes with a convenient 4, 8, or 12-hour timer to select what you like to use. I typically opt for a 12-hour timer. I put it on like 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. All in all, I gotta say, it's a pretty great light. Super easy to set up with that 12-hour timer. Makes it really easy to provide the lighting that we need to give our taller plants in our home. If you are interested in this floor lamp, just go to the description below and you can find a link that'll take you right to this lamp. Anyways, thank you guys for joining me here on Plant Vibrations. I'll catch you soon. Ciao.